This is my second tutorial on AutoNet Japan Action System. So in today's tutorial, I will dive into the process of bidding on a specific car as a customer, and how sales agent can efficiently manage and update the bid status. So let's get started. As from previous video, I have created three different customers under sales agent on. So if I want to bid for a car, I have to log in as a customer first. So here I will log in as customer 1 and let's search for a car. So the username was customer 1 and the password is also customer 1. Yeah, now it's okay. So from this dashboard page, suppose I'll search for a car Toyota Prius, and from make section I'm selecting Toyota, and from model section I'll go for Prius. So here it is. So I'm selecting 3 of them and let's search. I'll go for the first one. So from here I can see the images of that car and car detail, production year, and some inspection sheet description from the detail page. Or if I go for some other cars which may have some more images, let's see. Not this one. Yeah, this one has a lot of images. This one has 2. So this one has also a lot of images. So if I want to make a bid on this car, so the auction is on 26th of January. So if I bid for suppose 50,000 yen, and today's currency rate is on 45 per USD, so for 50,000 yen it will be 344 USD. And I think I didn't set any adjustment amount for customer, so let's keep as it is. And in message section I may write like please check this car for me. This car is important. And now if I hit send bid, then the bid will be placed. And if I go to my bid section from menu, and here it is. I think this one is, yeah, this one is for Prius, and I have placed a bid on price 50,000. Okay, here my customer side comment came, and since that customer 1 is under sales agent 1, so I will switch to sales agent on account for the next step. And now I'm logging out from this account, and for sales agent 1 I think the username was sales1 and password is also sales1. And now I'm logged in as sales agent 1, and we'll explore the bid section and observe the newly placed bid from the customer 1. So if I go to my bids, and change the date to 26 filter. So here is the bid for Toyota Prius. Initially the status is unread. Sales agents have the authority to update the bid status based on the auction condition. So sales agent can change the status to unread, unsold, lost, cancelled, auction cancelled, own, and negotiation. And if we go for the detailed page of this specific bid, uh, here we can change the bid amount, adjustment amount. We can give a reply on the specific message. So I wrote a message that is, I have placed a bid for this car. And if I select the country for this car, suppose it is Russia, and I can change the customer as well, and I can change the shipment method from ro-ro to container, and I can select the yard from here and select the inspection. So let's just update this thing. I'm just changing the country to Russia, and let's update. And now if I go back to my bids section, and let's again change the date to 26 and now filter. When a bid is marked as on, the row will turn green. So if I change the status from unread to on and click on update, so you can see the row has become green. And if I own the bid in 50,000 yen, I will write here the final result is 50,000. And if we make a negotiation with the auction, so we can write the negotiation price here. So I'm not doing any negotiation, I'm just writing the result and click on update. To ensure the transparency, I will switch back to customer one account and verify that the bid status has indeed changed to on. So let's log out from this customer, from this sales agent from here, and again I'm login as customer one. Go to my bids. So here I can see the bid is turned into green and the price is 50,000. And to create an invoice for that specific bid, I need to go back to admin account again, and there I can create an invoice for that bid. So if I log in, go to my bids and select customer one and change the date to 26. If I hit filter, then I can see the newly placed bid, that status is on. And if the admin wants, he can change the approval status from approve to deny or negotiation, and change the status from on to some other things. So here is my concern is to create an invoice. So I need to go to the bid, and at the bottom of that detail page, only the admin can set the shipment information. So suppose the yard-in date is 27, ship date is 28, ship name is Blackbeard, destination is Russia, and let's say the arrival date is 30, and the sale price is 55,000. And if I want to select some additional images for that shipment or yard, I can select images, desktop. Currently in my PC I don't have any images, so I can't upload, and let's submit. And when the shipment information is updated, I can create an invoice from here. If I click on generate invoice, it will redirect me to a confirmation page where I can again check about my company information, bank information, and customer information. And here is the vehicle information and final price. And now if I click print invoice, then on Excel file will be downloaded in my laptop. I don't have any Excel installed, so I can't open. And if I come back here again and go to my account stock section, I can see that I have 2 or 3 cars. I can see about the car information, shipment information, buying price and selling price, and when the shipment date will be over, it will be come to shipped. So that's it, and some things is left like balance and transaction related things that I'll create on another video. Thank you.